In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign someone to a to-do list in GoodDay. Assigning tasks to the right person is one of the most important parts of staying organized in any project. In GoodDay, this is done through the assignee field on a task. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're new to the platform. Let's start by opening GoodDay in your browser. Go to the GoodDay website and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main workspace or dashboard. This is where you can see your projects, tasks, and other tools, depending on how your workspace is set up. Make sure you're in the correct project or area where your to-do list or specific task is located, so you don't accidentally assign the wrong item. Next, locate the task that you want to assign to someone. This might be listed under a project, a board, or a to-do list view, depending on how your team organizes work. Click on the task to open its detailed view. When you do this, a panel or window will appear showing more information about the task, such as its title, description, due date, and status. This is the place where you manage all the details related to that specific piece of work. Inside the task details, look for the assignee section. This is usually labeled clearly, and you'll often see either a placeholder avatar, your own profile, or the name of whoever is currently assigned. Click on the assignee area to open the list of people who can be assigned to this task. This will typically show members of your workspace or project. Now, from the list that appears, click on the person you want to assign the task to. You can usually scroll or search for their name if your team is large. Once you select them, GoodDay will update the task so that this person is now responsible for it. You should see their name or avatar appear in the assignee field right away, confirming the change. At this point, your task is officially assigned. As a best practice, you may want to double check other task details like the due date and priority, so the assignee has all the information they need to get started, and that's all you need to do to assign someone to a to-do list